Dear students, today our topic is about identify that what is the difference between a rational and an irrational number and how you can check that what is the difference between these two and how you will decide that this fraction or this number is a rational number or an irrational number. If you are new on my channel, please hit the bell icon. Also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe because I have uploaded the previous videos regarding the subtopics of chapter number 1 numbers O1, and also you can get the more videos I will upload regarding different topics, MCQs, and in the future. So you will have to hit the bell icon and also subscribe to my channel. Now we will move towards the video that identifying that what are rational and what are irrational numbers, the difference between them. So first of all, for that we have to learn about four definitions, four terms we all have to know. First term is terminating. It's a term, terminating fraction. What is a terminating fraction? A fraction, when we divide it, then we get a decimal number which stops after the point. Like for example, 1 by 2. Then I will get the answer 0.5. Look, after the point in before the point on the left side, it's the whole part, and after the point it's the decimal part. Okay, so that fraction, when we divide it and we get this type of answer that after the point the decimal part has stopped, maybe two terms, three numbers, three digits, it will stop, then that fraction is known as a terminating fraction. Okay, now the second term, non terminating fraction. Then by non you have understand that a fraction, when we divide it, then in the decimal part will never stop. That fraction is known as non-terminating fraction, because terminating fraction is that one in which after the point the decimal part stop, and in non-terminating fraction obviously that after the point the digits will never stop, they will ongoing. Like for example, I am giving you an example, 5 by 17. When I divide it, I get 0.29411 going on. Okay, so it's not stopping. After the point, the decimal part is going on. This type of fraction is known as non-terminating fraction. Okay, terminating fraction, non-terminating fraction. Now we have recurring decimal fraction. Recurring and non-recurring. Recurring fraction. Okay. A fraction, when I divide it, then the decimal part is going on, but there is a pattern in the decimal part. Instead, it's going on. That fraction is known as recurring fraction. Like for example, I have an example, 1 by 3. When I divide it, I get 0.33333. It's going on. It's not stopping. So this type of fraction is known as recurring fraction. That when I divide it, the decimal part is going on, but there is a pattern in it. Okay. The next one is non-recurring fraction. Non-recurring fraction. Okay, so you will understand what is non-recurring, that when I divide it, for example, I'll take this example, non-terminating. 5 by 17 is equals to 0.29411. It's going on. It's not stopping. It's going on, and there is also not any pattern in it. It means it's a non-recurring fraction, non-terminating and non-recurring. So I hope you understand what is the concept of terminating fraction, non-terminating fraction, recurring fraction, and non-recurring fraction. Okay, in the next video I will explain you that how we can use these four terms to identify that what is the difference between a rational and a irrational number. If you like my video, like my teaching way, then please hit the button like, also hit the bell icon and the subscribe button so you will get the notification of my next videos regarding these topics. Thank you.